Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel, and if you hear something in the background, it's just my 2-year-old roaming around. Time for a quick unboxing of this San Martin Explorer Tiffany blue. I bought it secondhand, so no other boxing or anything like that. This is my first experience with a San Martin or San Martin and their unique packaging. That looks like a bezel. It's kind of fun. Plastic. Unscrew the top, I guess. Whoops. We'll get into the watch. Here we have a warranty card. I think it's carbon. We have, I guess, an instructions manual. Yes, we do. Won't be using that one. There we have the watch. Anything else? Since this is pre-owned, it has been sized. So here is the a tag and spare link, and that's about it. Now here's the watch itself. San Martin Explorer or San Martin Explorer. That's very nice. A 36mm case, so a bit smaller than I'm used to. Is it a screw down? Yes, it is. Screw down crown. 36mm by what? I don't know. While I set this, let's get some specs. So I had a Pagani design similar style that I sold, and this is way nicer. It's not the on-the-fly adjustment, but it's a nice middle class with the San Martin logo, or San Martin. Wonder if I can change that. A quick adjustment, I'll check. Feels nice. The previous owner hasn't screwed the links properly in. And here my toddler comes, so pause. And there we are back, and now I have some company. 20mm lug width, everything feels not solid, everything seems well built, the loom looks really good. I normally don't use quite as small, wear these quite as small watches, 36mm. It's gonna be interesting experience. Sapphire crystal, and so on and so on. Nice articulation on those links, screw links, female end links. And to finish it off, take off the Jack Turner, put it on my roughly 17cm wrist. Oh, it's a bit large, I need to size it. This is how it's gonna wear. Sorry if it's a bit sweaty, it's really warm today. I think that's gonna wear nice. Those 20mm lugs makes it wear larger than 36mm, so I'm gonna enjoy wearing this one this summer. And that's it for this time, guys. Until next time, stay safe, take care, please like and subscribe, and bye bye.